Hi everyone, so Michael's has these beads on sale right now. I bought them online and did a store pickup, and there's probably like another like 10 that I didn't even buy. So if you search bead landing Christmas beads, these cases will come up and you'll be able to find them. So let's go ahead and open the ones that I did go ahead and buy. The other ones, one was sold out and it had like a glass Santa Claus bead. It was really cute. I would have bought it if my store had it in stock. And let's see. Oh, this one has the gorgeous little rhinestones in here. So you get 7 of each color. Those are going to be gorgeous. So I figured these were worth it, you know, for $5. I think that's a really good deal, especially once you're done with the beads. You know, you can go ahead and keep the case and then go ahead and do like an embellishment box. Oh, I like this one. Look, it looks like little sprinkles. That's really cute. And then these look like they have stars. Well, they don't look like they have stars. They have stars in the bead. So that's really cute. Oh, there's a couple little ones in this red one. Oh, look, it's like a little snowflake. Oh, those are cute. But only the red ones come with those. I wonder why only the red ones. I would have loved to have these tiny little snowflake beads in like a white. I don't know why they only came in red. Yeah, I don't see any in the white, only in the red pack. So there's that pack right there. And then I think if you put this number in is how you can look up each case by themselves. Or like I said, just in the search bar, put bead landing Christmas beads. And they will come up. I found it because they sent me an email like, hey, we think you'll like this. And of course they suckered me in. I did like it and I had to go ahead and go buy them. But there was a ton. There was too many for me to buy. Oh, I really like this one. Look at that. It is a bow, but it's made out of metal. Oh, I should have bought 2 of these. I'm going to see if I could get another one. I really like that bow. And then there are some of these candy canes. And these look just like the ones that Hobby Lobby sells in a pack. So there's those. But I really, really like that bow bead. And then I really like these little like clay peppermint beads. That looks like a good size hole. I think these would fit on a pokey tool. Then it has silver over here. And then there's red and clear. I think these are glass. Yeah, I think these 2 are glass and then this one's plastic. So there's that set. And then let's see. There's this set that are the little like clay disc. Oh, I really like this one. I think I should have got 2 of these too. So it has red, green, and then like a peppermint, red and white, then a white. Then look at these. They're little gold discs. And these gold ones are made out of plastic. These are really, really nice. I really like this set. I might pick up another one of these. Because that's different. Let's see. Oh, I think this was the Crackle Bead one. Let's see. Yep, these were the Crackle Beads. So you get a bunch of clears and then red and white. So if you can see... Oh, sorry about that. I started choking. So if you can see, these have like the bead look like they're like crackled on the inside. They're really, really pretty beads right here. Oh, you can really kind of see it on the clear one. So those are gorgeous. Love those. Oh, this one actually comes with instructions on the back. Yeah, none of these other ones did, but this one is actually like a kit. So it shows you how to make like a little bow with a present. Oh, that's cute. So this one is actually like a little set. Let's see. Excuse me. Let's see. Okay, so there's silver bows. And then there are some square clear and red and green. And then it also comes with the gold bows. And then just some rhinestones. Oh, and look, there's like little bells over here. Little bell beads. All right, that's cute. So we are definitely going to put some of these together, just like the picture. And then it comes with all the findings right here. You have your head pins and your earring loops. That's really, really cool that it's a whole kit already together. So let's open up this next one. And this one I think was just clear, red, and green, which I figured, you know, you can never have enough of those colors when you are doing Christmas crafting. Yeah, see, so these come in different sizes. So there's like this larger shape. And then over here, there is actually a different shape and it's smaller. So there's those. I think that's it. I think it's just those two. So it's clear, red, and green. Oh, this one's a kit as well. I did not know that. So I got this one because I saw that there was these like spaghetti like seed bead looking things over here. So I got this kit because of that. I thought that it was different, but I didn't realize that it was actually a full kit for you to create with. So on this one, it shows you how to go ahead and put it all together. Then you could do a Christmas tree, or you could use like this little like pokey tree. That is really, really cool. I did not realize that these were little kits. So maybe I should have got all the other ones and I just didn't know that they were, you know, full kits. So this one has clear beads, gold, green, and red. Like I said, I bought it because I saw these right here in the photo and I just thought that they were really unique. So that's why I picked up this set, were because of these green ones. But I didn't realize you were supposed to make, you know, a Christmas tree out of it. And then this one has the earrings, the head pins, and then there's also some loose wire in here as well right here. That is so cool. I love that they put little kits together. That is a genius idea. I love it. Now I'm definitely going to have to go back on the website and see what else they had. Like, maybe I misjudged some of the other ones, thinking like, oh, I don't need that. Let's see. So this one was, oh, the pearls and the rhinestones. Look at how gorgeous these are. I fell in love with these in the photo. I should have bought 2 of these just for these rhinestones. I mean, the pearls are gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but these are so much prettier in person than they look like in the photo. I love these. These are great. Let me take one of each out. Oh, I definitely needed a whole case of just these 3. And I would have been in heaven. Those are so pretty. So you do get your white, your green, your red, and then the different style of rhinestone beads in this one. And then the last box that I got was just all pearls. Let's see. So there's green, red, white, and like a gold, but they do come in 2 different sizes. Or is there more than... Oh, I think there's more. Oh, there's 4 different sizes. So there's this large one. Let me try to get it all. There we go. So this large one, and then the next one down, and the next one down, and then that one. Let me make sure. Nope, I think that's it. I think there's 4 different sizes in here. Oh, that is so nice. Look at that. And all the different colors come with the different sizes. Yep, I'm pretty sure that they do. Yeah, see, because here's a small one, and I can see the red ones. I think, yeah, pretty sure the gold is the same thing. Oh, I love this one. Okay, I definitely need another one of these. So, like I said, if you go in the search bar on Michael's, I just bought them yesterday online and I picked them up today. And what I did was I did bead landing Christmas beads, but here is the number right here if you want to look them up on the website. So this is the one with the pearls in different sizes. This is the one that has the gorgeous rhinestones in there. Honestly, I'll probably grab another one of these. I'll probably get another one of these. And there's the information there if you want to just search it by the number. This is the one that makes those Christmas tree. Look, I should have paid attention right there. Christmas tree seed bead earring kit. I didn't even pay attention. It says it right there on the label. And that's what this one looks like. And then here is the number right there if you want to look it up by that item number. This is the one that has the stars and the little sprinkles beads. And there's your item number there. This one is the beautiful rhinestone ones. I will be buying another set of these. And there's the information there if you want to look it up. This one is the glass one, and it does come in different sizes. There's the information. These are those clay disc ones. I love these. Want another set of those. Oh yeah, I definitely want another set of this one because I love that big bow right there. There's the information on that. This one was the present kit. And here's your information right there. And then that's what they look like. They come out looking like that. And then the last one I got were the Crackle Beads. Oh, 200 pieces. Oh, that's really good for $5. Then there's your information right there if you want to go ahead and look it up. So yeah, these kits are amazing. They're $5 right now, or at least that's what I paid yesterday. I think that's a really good price. So go ahead and go check them out. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.